Hey, what is up? What is happening? So I just got in the mail from WINKY LUX the new S'mores collection, as well as some other little new launches that they just recently came out with. And I thought, you know what? Straight away, let me go ahead and put this on my face. Let me see how they swatch. Let me see how the pigmentation is, everything, because the packaging alone is sending me right now, you guys. Look at how cute this is. Within their artwork, there's little tiny s'mores hidden within it. And I just think that is so adorable, so cute. So this is a little face palette. Looks like a little trio. They also have this little lip balm with the same packaging and the new Shimmer Stick, as well as the newer CBD lip gloss, and they sent me the shade Cinnamon Sugar. So I want to try out some of these products, see how they perform, see how they go, see how they swatch, all of that. By the way, if you are new to my channel and new to my face, my name is Ashley Ellix, and I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing by hitting that little red button down below. That way you get notified when I post more videos, which is 3 times a week, all beauty related and all cruelty free as well. But enough chit chat, enough jibber jabbing. If you are just as curious as I am to find out how these products perform, how it goes, if the products are as good as the outside packaging is, because the outside packaging is so cute, then you're in the right place, and all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop. So like I mentioned, there is a little face palette trio, so we'll be getting to that in a second, but I think I want to throw this on really quickly. It is their S'mores Lip Balm, because most of their lip balms are like shade adjusters, so I want to see how that is, and if it needs to adjust, it'll just adjust while I'm applying everything. Again, super cute packaging. Let's slide this out. Their cute little pill-shaped lip balm. That's like a little trio. That is crazy. Let's do a swatch on my hand really quick. And just like the other lip balms, this one retails for $18. Interesting. Okay, it's like clear and then just like red. So let's just do, or like brownie nude. That side, and then, yeah, of course, a little clear side. Okay, that's interesting. So perhaps you can like either just use a clear side if you want to, or you can go in with the tint. I think we should just go straight away with like the whole trio and see how it blends together. Yeah, nice balmy type of feel. That's a pretty warm tone shade. It's more pigmented than the other ones that I've used. Oh, it says it smells like marshmallow. You know, I don't really smell anything, to be honest. No, I don't really smell much at all. Let me try rubbing some on my hand. No, I don't really smell anything at all. Okay, so that's a little bit of a bummer. No smell that I can detect. What does it say as far as like anything? Just says sheer nude tint. Yeah, like a warm tone nude tint. Okay, moving on. Before I go in with the powder face palette, I do want to try this Shimmer Stick because I have not powdered my face yet. I've already done like my base makeup, but I have not powdered because I saw this Shimmer Stick in there. So wow, that is huge. This is called the Twinkling All Over Body Highlighter. Contains no plastic glitter, so that's nice. It says you can apply to chest, shoulders, legs, body, and face. So I will be applying it to my cheekbones right here. Ooh, oh yeah, I see the glitter in there. Whoa, look at that. That is glittery and really pretty. Let me just do this on one side of my face because I believe there is a powder highlighter in here. Not sure, haven't opened it yet, but let me just take a little bit of this on my finger. It is very glittery, and press that on. Whoa. Yep. Yeah, that is not like a typical highlighter. That is like glitter. Okay. Woohoo! Ah, I wish I wore a lower cut shirt today. Let me try to put some down there so you guys could see it. Wow. Okay, that is a really pretty sparkly body highlighter. I wouldn't recommend it for the face, but for the body, definitely very, very cute. Hopefully that dries down and doesn't stay too sticky. It's not like crazy sticky. It's a balmy type of feel, but a little drier than a balm feel would be, if that helps. Moving on to the face palette, let's slide her out. Okay, same packaging. That's nice. And let's take a look. Ooh, very cute. Let me do some swatches of this. Ooh, I think I'll like this bronzer because it does have a slight sheen to it, not completely matte, and it has a nice tone. So I'm really liking the tone of that bronzer, like I said, but the highlighters, they're not really giving me too much. So let's go in with this bronzer section of the S'mores palette right here. Woo, a lot of pigment. Okay, and let's warm this face up a little bit. Ooh, that is nice. It's supposed to smell like graham cracker. Hang on a sec. No, I don't smell anything except like the cardboard packaging. That's like all I smell. That's a bummer. Oh, I was really excited. I love s'mores. So when the other one said marshmallow, I was really excited. And when this just said graham cracker, but neither of them I feel like actually smell like anything really except their packaging. But let's see how this actually blends out and everything. All right, there's the bronzer. And now do take note, I had a little blush up here, so it does appear a little bit more warm in tone because I have the blush underneath, but it's looking really nice. It's a little more warm, not as cool tone, but that's kind of how bronzers tend to be. And I do really like that there's like a sheen within this bronzer, but it's not crazy highlightery because a lot of bronzers tend to be like a little too much. This one's nice because what I do with my bronzers typically is I mix a matte one and like a highlightery one to get this kind of result where it's just a really pretty sheen that just looks nice and glowy, but it's not, you know, glittery or too in your face blinding. This is really pretty, but I really want to see how this highlighter is. So let me try doing the white one. Ooh, very, very powdery. Let's see how that. No. You guys, I'm not really liking that. I don't really see much. And it's kind of texturizing my skin, but then it's not giving me like any kind of highlightery payoff. It's very ever so slight, but it's really just picking up weird on my skin. So let me try the gold one on the other side. It's probably going to be too deep for my skin tone, but let me try it out. It's still giving a weird textury looking feeling. Let me see. There's a little mirror in this palette. Just kind of emphasizing my pores in like a weird way. I mean, some powder highlighters do cause more texture than others. This is kind of one of them. Let me put it over the white one over here. Yeah, so that's a little better, but it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's just doing like a weird thing. It's making my skin look extra dry. So I don't love that. I do like the bronzer section, but I'm just really not liking the highlighter portion. So this palette does retail for $16, which isn't that bad. However, I feel like I would only use the bronzer shade in that because, yeah, I don't know. It's just doing this weird thing for the highlighter, but the bronzer shade is beautiful. So I don't know if that $16 is worth it for you. The packaging is cute, the mirror is cute, but let me see, you know what? Let me see if I can use this as like an eyeshadow palette too, because it does say you can use it on the eyes and maybe that will work nicely. I'm just gonna take this little fluffy brush into the bronzer shade and just do a little bronzy eye moment real quick. Blended so nicely on the face, it has to blend nicely on the eyes. That would just make sense. Okay, that is blending really nicely on the eyes. Let me take that gold one in the middle and just kind of pat it right up here. No, I mean, even on the eyes, it's just not really, you know what? It just looks too powdery. I know it's a powder, but you know, I don't know, chalky. Chalky's the word. I don't know why that took me so long to figure it out. It is very chalky looking, which I do not like. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and liner. Lashes are on, and I even threw on some liquid glitter in there just to zhuzh up this look a little bit more because that highlighter shade really wasn't doing anything on my eyes at all. So we're gonna move on to a couple other lippies that I was sent, but I do wanna take notice before we do that to the lip balm. So I have been drinking my iced coffee. It has been only like a half an hour since I applied the lip balm, and you'll notice that it's pretty much gone. So with that being said, my lips are left feeling moisturized and nice. You know, some chapsticks, some lip balms kind of feel weird when they start to rub off your lips. No, my lips feel hydrated, they feel good, but the tint isn't very long lasting, which I'm not surprised. Like I said, I'm drinking my coffee. So if you're looking for a very sheer tint type of lip balm that just adds a little bit of pigmentation, that is a warm tone type of nude, then you might like this one. Now moving on to the lippies. So they sent me the Cookie liquid lipstick in the shade Cookie perhaps. And then also this is the newer product from them. It's the CBD glazed and infused lip gloss in cinnamon sugar. So let's first see how this goes on the lips just plain, and then I'll maybe put it on top of the liquid lipstick. Very cute packaging, really pretty. Ooh, this has some pigment to it. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting that. That's really, really pretty. If you were looking for a lip gloss with some pigment, this is giving it to me, and a lot of shine, brown in tone, really nice. And I'm looking up online. Ooh, $27. Okay, that is kind of pricey. I've noticed that these products the prices are kind of like a little all over the place. $16 for that face palette, which it is pretty small, so I guess that makes sense. But $27 for this lip gloss? I don't know. It also has a little bit of that stringy stick, you know? Okay, if you remove that little inner liner, that's much better. Yeah, it's not happening now. So it is really pretty. If you don't mind spending $27 for a gloss, it feels really nice. There we go. That is that. Just gonna remove that so I can go in now with the liquid lipstick. Okay, this is really cute. There's little ice cream cones along the liquid lipstick jar. Double matte. Double matte is saying it only retails for $15, so I don't know what that is. This one's 15, this one's 27 for lip gloss. That's a crazy big difference. I don't know, but let's try it on, see how it actually goes on. I'm sorry I'm starting to turn into a Debbie Downer because I'm gonna say this. This feels going on and smells like a really cheap liquid lipstick. It is beautiful in tone, but that smell is just awful. Ooh, oh, it's so bad. I need to stop smelling it. I don't like that smell. I'm sorry. And it's weird because the applicator feels very stiff, which I actually don't mind too much because I can get a more precise line with it. It just has this feeling. Okay, this is what this reminds me of. Back in the day, maybe when I first started my YouTube channel, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, along that line, I tried this brand of liquid lipsticks from CVS. It was called RK by Kiss. I don't even know if they make them anymore. And they're $1 or $2 for the liquid lipstick. It smells like that. That was actually like for $1, $2, they worked great. They were fine. But for, $15, it starts to like, I want it to be an enjoyable, pleasant experience putting it on, If you're looking for a really matte lipstick though, it is doing that. It's just, that's how that RK by Kiss liquid lipstick worked too. It was like so matte. This feels like the same formula. But $15, why do I keep smelling it? I don't know, but I keep hoping that it changes in smell, but it doesn't. I don't like that. I love the color, so I'm a little disappointed. I bet it wears good though, because it's so matte, but let me put on this lip gloss back on top. This one smells nice, by the way. This one smells like coffee. Or ice cream. I don't know. I wish that smelled like this. Oh, this is nice. So for $27, okay, this one is a lot nicer and it feels different. It feels a little bit sturdier. There's a little bit of flex to the lip gloss, the little wand, Okay, going back to where I put that, body glitter on, it's completely dry now. I don't feel it, so that's nice. It is giving me a little bit of transfer. That's kind of how body glitters tend to be though for me, but it's still there and still looks pretty, and it still looks pretty. And you know what? It's not really coming off on my sweater too much, a little bit, but it's not like completely rubbed off. So for a body stick glitter, it's pretty nice. I like that, and I like how big and chunky it is because you can go wider onto areas. Let's talk faves really quickly, and then we'll talk about the faves. So faves, first of all, is the lip gloss. I really enjoyed that formula. I like that it was super pigmented. No, I do not like the price point of $27. I'd much rather see this at $20, especially because you can find this brand at Target. I feel like $20 is more fitting, but it smelled lovely. It went on really nicely, and that pigmentation is amazing, especially for a lip gloss. It smells so yummy. And then the body shimmer stick that we were just talking about, like I said, I love the size of it, and you know what? You get a lot of product in here. Like, look at that. That is gonna last me a really long time. So whenever I need a shimmery, glittery product for the body, I can grab this really quickly and go, and I know it won't feel like sticky and gross. So liking that. I'm liking the S'mores Lip Balm. I think if I wanted to do like a more neutral, natural type of look, and I wanted just a tint on my lips that is more of a warm nude, I would grab this one. I think it's really nice, and I like that it hydrated my lips. No, it didn't last very long, but tinted lip balms never really last a long time on me. The only thing I wish that it actually had that marshmallow smell. That's really all it's missing. Now, as far as fails go, the matte liquid lipstick, it's too bad because I think this color is beautiful and I really enjoy that, but oh man, it smells so awful. Just the feeling of it going on just doesn't feel pleasant. So that is a major bummer because the outside packaging is cute and the color is great. So I would like them to go back to the drawing board on this one. And then sadly, the Smores palette. Now I really love this bronzer like we talked about. I think it is a perfect balance of a sheen in there that's not overly shiny or anything. It's perfect. And I really like the tone of it. It's only that I like, and it comes with 3 things. If this was just a S'mores bronzer, oh my goodness. If this whole thing was the bronzer, that would be beautiful. But these 2 highlighters in there, they're just not something that I like to use. They just honestly look powdery on my skin. My skin looks really textured right around this whole area that I applied it. And I'm already dry, so it just really emphasized that dryness. And they look chalky, and that's a bummer because there's 2 of them in here. So really the only thing I could use in here is the bronzer, and I know not everybody will be able to use that bronzer because it won't be great for maybe deeper skin tones. So it's too bad because the packaging is super cute, and the idea of it I really thought would be super, super fun, but doesn't even smell like graham cracker to me like it's supposed to. Smells kind of like metal and cardboard at this point. So that's a fail to me. That's a bummer. Maybe I'll grab this every now and then for a bronzer, but I wouldn't go and spend money on it, which is $16, just because I could get just a singular bronzer for less at the drugstore, you know? But that's it. That is a wrap for today's first impressions using the newer products from Winky Lux, including the S'mores collection. Hopefully that was helpful for you in your journey to deciding whether or not these were products that you would pick up for yourself. If you are new to my channel and new to my face, I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing by going down and hitting that little red button down below, and then tap that bell next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I do post those videos that are done 3 times a week, all beauty related and all cruelty free. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate your time, and I hope that every single one of you, yes you, go out there and have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful day.